So I'll hold it close to my heart beating with every step. Hold it close. He sleeps alone, he needs no army where he's headed, 'cause he knows that they're just ghosts and they can't hurt him if he can see.
Doncs el campus Nike em sembla un campus increïble, ja és el segon any que estic aquí i per sort m'ho estic passant molt bé, veure els nens somriure és sempre un plaer i estic encantat de poder estar aquí per segon any.
We only know what we see, 'cause we're always fast asleep. Is it so hard not to believe that we'll never know? Oh, hold me close. I've never been this far from home. Hold me close. He sleeps alone. He needs no army where he's headed, 'cause he knows that they're just ghosts and they can't hurt him if he can't see them all. And I may go to places I have never been to just.
I el consell que els hi donaria als nens en aquesta edat és sempre que disfrutessin, que s'ho passessin bé i que no pensessin en un futur que seran uns cracs perquè s'ha d'anar dia a dia i això és molt difícil.
Like him now, he sleeps alone. He sleeps alone. And one last chance to make sense of what his long escape does. He sleeps alone. I sleep alone. He sleeps alone. He needs no army where he's headed, 'cause he knows that they're just ghosts